Ritika. Welcome back to my channel.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies. All because
And if you've forgotten to pamper yourself this quarantine, then this video is definitely for you. So in today's video, we're gonna try 3 super easy nail art designs, and it's gonna be super fun. So girlies, come along. So for the first look, I've used these nail paints and 2 eyeliners. Now I'm applying the first coat of the nail paint and I'll let it dry completely. After this, I'll apply the second coat, and this is how it looks like. Next, we'll take on another nail paint and create a shape like this. Now, I'm taking this green eyeliner to create the leaves of our pineapple. So, after this, I'm going to outline my pineapple with this black eyeliner. Be a bit careful while doing this, as it might get a bit smudgy. After outlining the pineapple, I'm going to create these diagonal lines from both the sides of the pineapple. So we are almost done. I'm just going to apply my top coat after my liner dries completely. So this is how my cute pineapple nail art looks like. I also added a silver nail paint to enhance the whole look. So now moving on to the second look, I'm gonna quickly apply my first coat and let it dry, and then I'm gonna apply my second coat and let it dry completely. Now I'm gonna take this nail paint and create small dots on my nail. Now I'm just going to apply this nail paint to half of my nail. Now I'm going to take my black eyeliner and create some uneven lines around the dots that I created to give it a leopard look. So this one is my favorite look because even if you mess up, you're not gonna get caught. I'm going to do the same on this nail as well. And I also added a few dots to cover up my nail. In this one, I'm going to use these nail paints. Now I'm applying the first coat and I leave the first finger empty as I'm going to apply the silver nail paint on this one. Now I'm going to take a white nail paint and create a shape something like this on my nail. Don't worry much even if you mess up with the shape, because our liner is gonna fix it later. Now I'm gonna take the blue nail paint and create a dot in the white portion. Now I'm gonna outline it with my black eyeliner, and I'll also create some eyelashes just like this. And I'll also add a black dot inside the blue dot which I just created. Moving on to this finger, I'll create something like this. It looks like a closed eye. Now I'll apply the top coat, and this creates my sleepyhead look. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you really find this video useful, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to send me all the pictures if you try any of the nail art designs. Till then, take care and love. And also follow me on my social media accounts, Instagram, Snapchat and TikTok as well. Till then, bye-bye. Channel. Mama.